Hello my dear children. Today we are going to discuss about basic computer organization. As you are all studied in previous years, what is the definition of a computer? Computer is an electronic device under the control of instructions stored in its memory that can accept data, process the data according to the specified rules on processor, and produces information that is output and store the information for future use. What is data? It is a raw number or other findings which by themselves are of limited values. It doesn't have any meaning. When the data has some meaning, then it is termed to be information. Computers are being used extensively nowadays in everyday life and in every field in the form of laptop, desktop, smartphones, gadgets, etc. What do you mean by a computer system? It allows the user to input. That means you can input a text, an image, a video or audio. The computer system will manipulate, that means process the entered data and gives result. Along with it can store the data in its memory. Computer system typically includes a CPU, a hard disk, RAM, that is random access memory, monitor, keyboard, mouse and other operational or optional components. All of these components also can be integrated in all-in-one units such as laptop computers. Here the input devices, output devices and the processing devices are integrated in all-in-one. What are the advantages of computers? As you are all studied, its speed, the accuracy, the output will according to the input only. But it is having the most accurate observations and it can store huge amount of data. Versatility means it can be used for any task. It is not made for only one task. Carelessness. It doesn't have any failures till it has any physical damages. Then what are the disadvantages of computers? The data security issues. The data we are storing in computers are not secured for a limited period of time. And the computer crimes like theft of personal informations, computer hijacking, computer virus attacks are coming under computer crimes. And nowadays many of us are facing as health risk. If we are using continuously the electronic devices, we may face health risk such as eye diseases, skin diseases, stress, depressions, sleepless nights, etc. Bad impact on environment if not properly disposed. Nowadays, there is no much place for dispose or dismantle the electronic equipments so that it badly impact the environment. It may cause air pollution, soil pollution and water pollutions too. The computer performs 5 functions in gross term. It takes data as input. It stores instructions and data in the form of ones and zeros. It processes those stored data generates the output, and it controls all the above steps. What are the functional components of a computer? Input device, output device, control unit, microprocessor unit, arithmetic and logical unit, memory unit. Here microprocessor unit, that is MPU, is nothing but control unit and arithmetic and logical unit. The control unit and arithmetic unit is used for processing. CPU means the MPU, that is microprocessor unit plus memory unit. I think you are all clear about what is a computer, what is a computer system, what are the advantages and disadvantages of a computer, and the functional components of a computer. Thank you.